नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओ। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अजीज अटोलिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we will discuss about slow sand filter. Filtration, types of filtration: slow sand filter, rapid sand filter, pressure filter. Slow sand filters. Slow sand filters were first invested in England by James Simpson in 1829. Slow sand filters normally utilize effluents from the plain sedimentation tank and are used for relatively cleaner waters. Constructions of slow sand filters: enclosure tank, an open water tight rectangular tank made of masonry or concrete. The bed slope is kept at about 1 in 100 towards the central drain. The depth of tank is 2.5 m to 3.5 m. The plain area of tank 100 to 2000 square point km. Filter media. The filter media consists of sand layer about 90 to 110 cm in depth and placed over a gravel support. The effective size of sand varies from 0.2 to 0.4 mm and uniformity CO varies from 1.8 to 2.5. Filter media. The filter media consists of sand layer about 90 to 110 cm in depth and placed over a gravel support. The effective size of sand varies from 0.2 to 0.4 mm and uniformity coefficient varies from 1.8 to 2.5. The coarser layer should be a bottom and thinner layer should be at top layer should contain uniform in grain size. Base material. The base material is gravel and it supports the sand. It consists of 30 to 75 mm thick with gravel of different sizes, which placed in 3 to 4 layers. Thickness of each layer around 15 to 20 cm are used. The coarset gravel is used in the bottommost layer and the thinnest layer is used in the topmost layer. The size of gravel is each layer should be as bottommost layer 40 to 65 mm, intermediate layer 20 to 40 mm and 6 to 20 mm, topmost layer 3 to 6 mm. Under drainage system, a gravel support is laid on the top of an under drainage system. The under drainage system consists of a central drain and lateral drains. The lateral or open joint pipe drain of some and kind of purpose drain placed 3 to 5 m apart on the bottom floor and sloping towards a main central covered drain. The laterals collect the filtered water and discharge it into the main drain, which leads the water to the filtered water well. Inlet and outlet arrangement. An inlet chamber is constructed for admitting the clarifiers effluent without disturbing the sand layers of the filter and to distribute it uniformly over the filter bed. A filtered water well is also constructed on the outlet side in order to collect the filtered water coming out from the main under drain. Inlets and outlets are generally governed by automatic valves. Operation of sluice and filter. The effluent from the sedimentation tank is allowed to enter the inlet chamber of the filter unit and get distributed uniformly over the filtered bed. The water percolates through the filter medium get purified. Through gravel, the water comes out as filtered water. It gets collected in the layers through the open joints, which into the main drain. The main drain finally discharges into the filtered water well. Limitations of operation. The water entering the sluice and filter should not be treated by coagulants. The depth of water on the filter should also be decided and should not be allowed to undergo large variations. The filter head is generally limited to 0.7 to 1.2 m. Cleaning of sluice and filter. For cleaning sluice and filter, lot of manual labor is required and also small quantities of fast water are needed. The cleaning is done by A. Scraping and removing the 1.5 to 3 semi of top sand layer and B. The amount of fast water required is very small for filtering. Cleaning is repeated until the sand depth is reduced to about 40 semi or so. The interval between two successive cleanings depends upon first nature of impurities and second size of filter media. This interval normal range between 1 to 3 months. Slow sand filters rate of filtration. The rate of filtration for slow sand filters ranges between 100 to 200 liters per hour per square meter of filter area. Efficiency and performance. Highly efficiencies in removing bacteria and suspended matter and also remove colors and turbidity up to 50 mg per liter. To extent of bacteria removal is up to 98 to 99%. Disadvantage because of their smaller rate of filtration, they require high surface area and large volume of filtering material. This makes them costly and uneconomical. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.